All right, good afternoon. Neil here with end of week wrap up and looking at the S&Ps. Last week we were looking for maybe a little bounce, and that bounce up into 58.40 overhead, and then from there down. And that's pretty much what we got. The high up here, it fell short of, with 58.40. And boy, did it. You got a weekly on the left and daily on the right. You can see the high in there. And man, it came off these last couple of days, including today, all the way down to a really important price here in the S&P, which is 56.18. Now, it was 58.40 by 56.18 now. The 56.18 was the final settlement price of the March contract. So the June contract in the roll is now reaching back down to resync and tag with that that outgoing price of the March contract. It's kind of like a rollover gap, I guess. Now, going from here, new lows. But question, how much can we bounce before, back down? So Monday is end of quarter. There'll be some rebalancing, that kind of thing. That could prop it up a bit. I say we go with 56.50 as the overhead, and then we look for new lows as, when I say new lows, I mean lower than the low of the move thus far before this bounce, and now we're looking for lows that'll be beyond 2 weeks ago, the low 2 weeks ago. So that'll push us into 5,500. I mean, it might be, I know there's a spot just in front of that at like 55.25 or so, something like that. But yeah, basically push us into 5,500. So that's a review of how we got to where we are, which that worked nicely. I mean, we're looking for the uptick and we got it, and then from there down, we're getting it. And then early next week, end of quarter, and then it's more tariff talk. And that's, I think, scheduled for the 2nd of April. So it'd be like Tuesday. It's a pretty early week next week. And be looking for new lows. That's what it looks like. And after we need targets beyond that, I'll be back with you, and we'll look deeper. But right now, we'll look down into this 5,500 level. And look forward to being with you again at the next update. But until then, take care and good trading.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me